4, 3, 2, 1. Let's actually go. Holy cow. Data, text to columns, delimited, limited among a comma. Okay, and let's just do that again. Horizontal position of each crab. Crabs have a limited field, so you need to find a way to make all their horizontal positions match. Require the as little as possible. For example, consider the following: just a crab with horizontal 16, a crab with horizontal 1, and so on. Each change one step one to the horizontal position costs 1 fuel. You can choose any horizontal position to land them all on, but the one that costs each fuel is horizontal position 2. $1951. Okay, so then. So I'm going to paste transposed, delete, these are numbers, cool, equals row column 1 minus column so it's going to be absolute value well, this wasn't how deep I meant to go. And then here we're going to do equals sum row column to row 1000 column. What's the question is, how much fuel do they need to spend? So I only need to go up to like really, I probably only need to go up to 1,000, but I'm going to go up to, like, 1,900 just in case. Let's go to 2,000, just so it's, sure, whatever. It's thinking. Row column 2 to row column 2,000. Okay, continue part 2. It's triangle numbers. It's the exact same thing, but I'm doing triangle numbers. How do I do triangle numbers? So as we're moving to 5, it's multiply by the number higher than. The same thing, but in the opposite way. This will be fun. It's gonna be big numbers, but whatever. That's fine. Oh, wait, no. This is wrong. Oh, no, wait, it's... No, it's... nope. That's wrong. That's the number I'm looking for. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. This is the right number. It's gonna be a big number, but that's fine. Yep. Okay, yep, numbers get really big. No, okay. So it's +1, isn't it? Oh, crud, isn't it? Oh, it's, did I do -1? Dang it. I should have recognized that those were in triangle numbers. Are they triangle numbers now? They're not. Why are they not? Oh, wait, these are east minus... Okay, so wait. No. Ah, okay. So... It only costs 1. Oh, it's divided by 2. I know what I did. Okay, yeah. That was... I now understand why they weren't triangle numbers. Because it's multiply then divide by 2. Well, I mean, I'll take a... I think like an 8-minute finish, I guess. Whatever. This will be the correct number. Yeah, pretty sure it's right. No, it's not. That's wrong. Wait, what? Two? Wait a second, is it like this then? The heck? Wait. Why is this wrong? Why is this wrong? Is it supposed to be actually still column -1? And then I just do +1 afterwards? Is this correct? Crud. Dang it. That's gonna be the... Yeah, I effed that up. Are these triangle numbers? Yeah, they are. Dang it. Okay. It's gonna be a 10-minute finish. Oh, man. Because I don't know my numbers. Isn't that irritating? What is 986? Okay, that's fine. Wait. This feels like it's the same number as last time. What? What did I do wrong? Oh my god. Am I off by 1 because I didn't... That's why it was the same. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I didn't bring it up all the way. Wait. Like, this looks right. 0, 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28. And then, if it's 0... Yeah, I'm assuming we're not going to all get to 0, so that doesn't matter. Yeah, then you got to move 1 to get to there. Then 3 total get to there. To move 11, you got to get to 66. I mean, I'll try it again, but like... Oh, that's the right answer. Okay.